Gerald Lucas here with another installment of Ask Gerald, where you get your real estate questions answered. Today's question comes from Steve. Steve writes from Belleville, New Jersey. Steve writes, "We are about to sell our home. What renovations do you think we should do to sell fast and get top dollar?" Well, Steve, the key to maximizing your profit when you sell your home is getting your home in front of as many qualified and interested buyers as possible. And to that end, pricing your home correctly is the most important factor. But when they get to your home, potential buyers, first impressions matter. Now, renovations generally for homeowners are not good investments because for the most part they only add up to 50% of their cost to the value of the home at the most. So you put $10,000 into a renovation, at most you're adding $5,000 to the value of your home. So that's not really a good cash on cash investment. However, there are minor repairs and improvements that you can do that are worth it, that will improve the appeal of your home to buyers, and that's important in order to get offers and in order to sell fast. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you 3 home improvements or repairs that you can do before you sell to make your home more appealing and attractive to home buyers. The first is to deep clean and declutter your home. So you want to really clean your home well, appliances, etc., and remove clutter, things that you don't need to have around, because it'll make the space look bigger and more inviting. And again, when a buyer is looking at your home, they want to picture themselves and their family living in your home, and it's harder to do that with all your stuff in there. So first thing is deep clean and declutter the inside of the house. The second tip is to landscape and declutter the outside of your home. So if you have a lawn, you want to make sure your lawn is cut, hedges are trimmed, etc. You could consider power washing the front to make it look nicer, and maybe putting a new doormat out. These are things that are inexpensive, but they improve the curb appeal. So again, declutter and landscape the outside of your home. Also, remove stuff in your yard that may be old. Declutter the outside like you declutter the inside. And the third tip, that's a minor repair or improvement that you can make to improve the curb appeal, the look of your home when you're selling it, is to fix minor repairs. So these are things like grouting and caulking, or fixing leaks. Right? These are things that people are going to see when they come visit your home, a potential buyer, turn on the faucet and see that it's dripping, or walk into the bathroom and see that it's dripping. These things are important because they help make a first impression, and those little things, they may turn off potential buyers. In addition, when you fix minor repairs like leaks, it makes your home more attractive to potential buyers, but also it makes things easier for you when you get to the home inspection for a buyer when you're under contract to sell, and it makes that process easier for you, less expensive for you, and will allow you to sell faster. So thanks for your question, Steve. For more real estate tips and information, visit my blog at geraldlucas.com. I'm Gerald Lucas, and I'll see you again soon.